What up, guys? I don't know if you've seen, but gonna light up that other light too. My diff broke. I fixed the diff, but the input for the diff got compromised because it broke. And then you see here, this is the size that it turned into, which means it couldn't fit in my diff anymore. It wouldn't rotate. Now I got two different of those two output shafts that came with the differential, but the axle was different, so I bought two axles. Look at the issue. Then trying to take the axle out of the car, it got stuck in here pretty good. Hammered, heat up, put stuff, it didn't come out. So this, I can do anything with this. It doesn't come out. Maybe the bushing I could use, but it's also old, so this is basically trash. Yeah, you see it was rusty in here, so I got new one of those, and I got one of this here. It's also used, but it seemed to be in pretty good shape, considering. And I got on eBay, and yeah, we're gonna work with that now and see if we can. I'm gonna put some anti-seize in there, which I have, and probably, because this also got screwed, I might need to pull it out. So I'm gonna show you. It's all out, unfortunately, but if you follow this video in reverse, you're gonna figure it out what to do. I'm doing all of this because there's a drifting event this Friday, Saturday and Sunday, and I plan to go there. And today is Wednesday, and this thing is like that, and I still need to do the other side. Hopefully it's just gonna come out, but if it doesn't, then I'm stuck again. So let's do it. Alright, so I got this thing here. I'm gonna try to get one of those bolts and put it in there. It's gonna be almost in. Hey, got in there. Nice. Now I gotta put this one down here. Everything seems to be alright so far. So I'm gonna put this guy in there. There we go. And I have a bolt right in here. Alright, so it's time to put the caliper in there, and one trick I've learned was this. You need to support this somewhere and pull this apart so it opens up again, and then you can put back in there. Otherwise, see this here, when you put it in there, it's not gonna work. So yeah, we need to be aware of that. Well, in this case here it worked, but we're gonna put the bracket in there, which is somewhere here. I'm gonna do that, come back in no time. Alright, this is the deal. Everything is there and tight. and we have the space to put the axle right here. But before we put the axle comes with a bunch of Allen bolts and some grease. And what you do is get this grease here, just get it open. Sorry for the fan noise. And then you open this here, and you see the stuff from the axle that goes to the differential right in there. So I'm gonna get this grease, and I'm gonna grease very good in there. And very good in there. There you go. And put some of those bolts here to align. It's coming off. It's coming out. I'm gonna try to put them all, and because I had problem before aligning, so I'm gonna push them. So main thing I forgot, take this nut out of here, and this is the new one and this is the old one. So you see, you gotta, it gets destroyed. I don't know why they just don't do a cotter paint, but yeah, they don't. So let's go under the car. Let me see what I can show you. Alright, so I am going under the car, and this is going to be the best angle for you. So I'm going to go here and there. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice. So you go a little, and yeah, you gotta go a little more so I can get the nut, the thread going. It's not quite getting there. So what people do is they go on the back and they hammer a little bit. So I'm going to do a little, and then you try to look here and see how much it moves. There you go. So now I got it, and enough to get thread, and I will just, so I'm gonna get size 36 and just start tightening. I could use impact wrench, but I'm gonna do like this. Yeah. Okay, so my handbrake is not very tight yet. It doesn't go any further than that, but I need to tighten more later. And see those two little things here, two little spaces. I need to put a screwdriver here and hammer it in, so it won't move back. And if I need to undo it, I need to hammer something out of there. Yeah, just two here. Yeah, so it is there, it is hanging, and I guess my next step would be hammer the other side, which I'm gonna do tomorrow. Hammer that out. I'll need to work it out a little, because look, I don't have space. So I'll try to move the car. I might lift right now and try to move the whole car this way and see if it gives me a little more space tomorrow. But yeah, one side's good. I'm excited. Alright, next day I took the other side, so you see the two new axles there. So now, man, this is a mess. I gotta put this away, and I gotta finish this today because I gotta take this car out of here. Tomorrow is Friday, and I might be going to the Villain. So get this guy out of here, and I'm gonna try see if I can manage to put myself in there. Just by myself. Okay, so I rode in here 338, painted, and I marked the bolts where they were, just to be sure that they are not gonna move. I'm gonna slide this there now and see how it goes. I'm pretty sure this is the bottom part, because there's the two holes where you can fill up and drop out of there. So let's do. Alright, so I'm gonna try my best to get this all on video. I can't remember how it goes up, but I believe, I don't know if the jack is going to help or bother, but let's go with the bother. Dude, this is heavy. I don't even know how. There's a big bolt and nut up there. Alright, this goes in there. Let's do some bench press. Okay, okay. Okay. No idea how I'm gonna do this. Nope. Failed. Alright. Not quite yet. So, diff is in. Everything was fine. I didn't want to show you, just putting bolts on. Went out for a ride. I couldn't tell if the car was better or what the difference was with the new ratio for the diff. From 297 to 338. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna feel like a big difference, but I wasn't able to. So what happened, I took a buddy for a ride, and as we were getting to the highway and I floored it, when I put second gear, the car died all the way. My assumption is the ECU fried, but we're gonna work on that on the next video. So thank you so much for your guys' support. I really appreciate it. Just one thing is, stay positive no matter what. I know things are hard. Hard things happen to me too, and you know, I think the difference is how you take it, right? Just remember one thing. If you live into your past, your future is going to be exactly the same way your past was, because you're living on your fears or on things that happened to you on your past, instead of creating a new future for you. So yeah, I appreciate your guys' support. If you're not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. If you're watching this far, I'm pretty sure you should subscribe. And thank you so much, guys. Later. Look past my face. See status. I mean, it's at McDonald's.